RPM.
Warm it up first.
Bit of RPM, okay. So this is off now. Turn it on. So I'm going to go, yeah, okay.
You can hear it, right?
Yeah, it's on, yeah.
Look down,
So this is travel, okay? One way, the other way, okay?
That part is for speed of the movement.
Yeah.
For this way, speed, yeah? Okay.
Okay, so there's the travel, okay?
Yeah.
Forward, reverse,
Yes.
okay? Back and forth. That's not the same thing. Okay, back,
Yeah.
forward, okay? These two buttons here, okay? Let's start here at the top, okay?
Yes.
These four buttons control the chain, okay? So if you want the thing up, you want it down, okay? You want to rotate the chain, so chain one way, chain the other way, okay?
Yeah.
So that's for pulling the log and flipping the log, okay? Now you got your, once you get your, hold on. Okay. Put your log on, okay? Then you raise your log, put your log on, okay? Then you raise the back one, okay? And then you
Rotate the log.
yeah, you feed them. You pull them over and that grabs out of the log, okay? And you leave that locked on. So it holds the log the whole time. If you do that, it shuts the valve off. So the log can release. So make sure that stays on, right? Okay, bring it back. Okay, now don't leave that on once you bring it back. So we're going to put them down again. Take them down. Take the heads down. Okay? And then we've got the leveler here. Here's your leveler there. That's down. That's up. Hold on. That's down. Oh yeah, here's level up. Okay, so there's down. That pulls it down.
Yes.
Push this button and it pushes it up. Okay?
Yes.
When you flip the switch, it automatically goes down. Okay, so this one should be going down. There it goes. The switch is turned around. The switch is reversed. Okay, so you go like this, it goes up. You go like this, it goes down. Okay? So now you can actually run it. This is not. This way it goes down. We should leave it down. Get it down, leave it down. There it goes. Okay, so don't touch that switch until you can have a look at the switch and find out what's going on.
Yep.
Because otherwise you'll push it up and you can't do anything.
Yes.
Okay? So that's it. It's working. These valves are fine tuning for controlling speed. And they're all over the machine. So there's these ones that control the speed back and forth. There's this one here that controls the speed at which it goes up and down. There's one up there. This one controls the speed up. The one up there controls the speed down. Okay. So if I want the rig up, I'm going to make the rig go up. Okay, rig goes up, rig goes down. Now you don't want it any faster than that. In fact, you probably want it slower than that. So you turn these down a bit. See? Yeah. See, that's probably too fast. Because you need to be able to fine tune it. You need to be able to jog it a little tiny bit. So you want to turn the one up there right down, and you want to turn this one right down, so it moves slow. Yeah. Because you can't lock it into 1 inch. See, he's going too fast now because the hydraulic. All those valves can all be turned way down, so that they're just cracked open a little tiny bit. Okay? Yes. And then it'll work okay. Watch your cable.
Never operate it with the axle on. You'll break your leg. See how it hit there?
Yeah, it's going to hit there now.
If you try to operate with this on, you'll cut your leg off. Okay? That's why we take that off.
Before you run the machine, that whole seat, it can be raised or lowered too. Now once the axle comes off, then that will clear this whole thing. Yes. You have to take the axle off too. Yes. The bolts in here. You take the axle right off. Okay?
The average speed you want to go? Cutting. Not that fast. Yes, not much more.
Ready?
Come back.
That's too fast, right?
No, so coming back, that's fine.
Oh yeah, right.
Going forward, depending what you're cutting,
Right.
not that. About an average speed.
How I run the blade? Blade. How? Over here.
Engage the tension. This is the tension. It's already engaged.
That's with the blade.
Yes, for the blade tension. If I want to loosen the tension, I pull it this way. Sorry. And it loosens. Then you can change the blade.
Yes.
See, it's loose. Pull it this way. There. And it'll go to a certain pressure and stay there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it tensions it by itself. There's finer adjustments in here. What do they do?
Tracking through the bearings for tracking.
Oh yeah.
It's set pretty darn good where it is. You can
Okay.
see here. Over here, we can
So you want the blade to do, you don't want it doing this. You want it to go even and square and all that good stuff. It can be turned down now, can't they? We don't need them open that much. I'll go to 4.
It's wet somewhere. Maybe it's wide open. All of a sudden it wants to go, right? Now it's just drying out, eh? This.
Yeah.
put your finger on. One guy's got to be on the other side, and you start pump, prime. It's hard, full of it.
Yeah.
And it'll start up, and then you screw it back down and lock in.
So that fills the injector pump.
That's your primer. Salt up and down. Papering the log. The papering, there's one there, there's one over there. Each button is for the papering is this button here. When you finish the log, you gotta leave the pressure on. In the middle is nothing. Back that way, forward that way, finish the log.
So it keeps the pressure on.
Yep, finish the log.
That's neutral. There's no pressure.
Right. Back. Very good. Now my down is coming too slow. I don't know why. Let's rig up. So you open up 4 turns?
Yes, I did.
Let's do some more.
You sure? It should be back, right?
That's 6 turns. Unwind it 6 and let's see.